Bonjour, bienvenue. Welcome back to Grade 7 French. This is the final grammar / parts of speech lesson, which is part of Unité 6. Today's video is about using l'inversion. When speaking or writing questions, the French sometimes say or write the verb before the subject. This is known as l'inversion. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to read, write, and say sentences using l'inversion. And in English, we pronounce the word inversion, and inversion basically means the reverse of something. All right, let me just get these boxes out of the way. Using l'inversion is actually quite easy. To write questions using l'inversion, all we have to do is 1. Drop the words Eska from the question, and 2. Write the verb before the subject. And just before I continue, when it comes to the first question, you may not always see the words Eska written in a question. I'm just putting it here in case you see those words when using l'inversion, you get rid of them. Okay, but now here's a really important note. If the subject is il or elle and the verb ends with e, we need to write a hyphen t hyphen combination between the verb and the subject. All right, let's try this out. Okay, on the next few slides, we are going to rewrite the questions so that they use l'inversion. And elle lit le braille. She is reading in braille. Put the video on pause so that you can jot down what you believe is the correct solution. I'll just give you a couple of hints. The subject is elle, the verb is lit, and the subject is elle, and lit ends with a vowel. So put the video on pause now and try out this problem at home. All right, let's see how you did. Using l'inversion, your question should now read, lise-t-elle le braille? Let's look at 2. Il communique au téléphone. Again, you're going to put the video on pause and rewrite this question so that uses l'inversion. All right, trying to reveal the solution. The subject was il, the verb was communique, which ended with an e. The subject il, starting with a vowel, so you should have communique-t-il au téléphone? He is communicating by telephone. Okay, you're going to do the same thing with these next 3 sentences. Just one thing I should point out. When you have proper names here, we're going to change them to, in this case, Paula is elle, and Vince would be il. So make sure you change these names to il or elle before you use l'inversion. But right now, please put the video on pause so that you can write down your 3 solutions. Okay, moving forward. Okay, here are 3 questions that use the words Eska. So remember, you don't need those anymore when you're using l'inversion. But please put the video on pause now so that you can rewrite these questions using l'inversion. Okay, and one more. 2 final questions again. You'll put the video on pause, and you're going to rewrite these questions so that they use l'inversion. All right. And we will take up the solutions to those 10 questions together in tomorrow's class. And then you'll have some time to work on your own or with a partner or in a small group, a couple of pages in your cahier. But until tomorrow's class, this concludes today's video.